Cloudy and mild with outbreaks of rain, heavy at times, but the outlook is drier and brighter. I'll have all the details of that and more coming up on Good Morning Britain.
Thursday, 15th of August.
Like if we're putting in pictures, let's do a 20-minute weather.
Okay, all right, okay.
Prefer 20 minutes of me or 20 minutes of Ed? I'll go. I'll carry on until...
We need a Twitter poll.
I'm just going to carry on until 6:37. Here's the details. So yes, the weather details and how it's going to affect you over the next few days. And the big thing that everybody is saying, it's just been so mild. And actually, yesterday morning was a very mild start to Valentine's Day morning. And in fact, it was the warmest Valentine's start we have ever recorded. So yesterday, the temperature didn't fall below 11.5 degrees overnight. So it was the highest nighttime temperature we have ever had on a Valentine's Day. And actually, for February so far, things are very mild. Today's top temperature could be around about 17 degrees. That is still a few degrees off the all-time February record, which was 21.2 at Kew Gardens back in 2019. But it shows you we are way up where we should be for the time of year. And it's because our air is coming from the southwest. So a mild feed of air spreading right across the country. And we keep that as we head through the rest of the week. The price we pay for the mild, though, is a lot of cloud and a lot of rain around as well. The heaviest rain in the southwest, where we have a warning in force for today. So the latest satellite and radar shows a lot of cloud. It is exceptionally mild. It is 12 or 13 degrees in the south right now, and that is our starting temperature, higher than where it should be by day for the time of year. So cloudy with rain, heavy for northern areas, yet again, extensive mist and hill fog. Worth pointing out two warnings, one in the southwest of England, up to 40 millimetres of rain. A lot of rain on the road already here, so very sensitive with the risk of some flooding. And then central areas for today and tomorrow have a warning in force, just a very tiny area. But river catchment levels just don't need this rain, so that brings the risk of some further localised flooding. So tonight, the whole band of rain clears through. A fresher start tomorrow, 8 to 10 degrees, but where we should be by the time of year. And then tomorrow, after a pretty wet week so far, it is drier and brighter. So if you want something dry and brighter, and if it's half term for you and you want to have some outdoor plans, tomorrow is looking perfect. So today is cloudy with rain. Tomorrow looks drier and brighter. 15 degrees, our top temperature tomorrow. Good morning to you. It is another mild start to the day. Temperatures overnight holding up at 12 or 13 degrees for some of us because the air is coming up from the southwest. But with the mild also comes cloudy and wetter. Weather fronts continue to sweep in through the next few days, but signs that high pressure trying its hardest to move in with something a little dry. Good morning to you. It is yet again a very cloudy and a very mild day ahead for many of us. Rain moving in will be heavy across the southwest later. So this is how it looks right now. Cloud for all of us. A very mild start to the day, 12, 13 degrees already in the south and set to get more warmer as we head through the day. The rain heaviest this morning. Good morning. You don't need me to tell you how mild it has been. I think because it's been so mild for so long, it's actually just something we're very used to. But yesterday morning, for Valentine's morning, it was the warmest start to Valentine's Day that we have ever recorded. 11.5 degrees Celsius was our overnight temperature. So it didn't get any lower than that in the Isles of Scilly at St Mary's, but our record February overnight temperature is 13 degrees, so still a few degrees off that. Today, we could get to 17 degrees. How does that compare to our all-time February record? It's another cloudy and very mild day ahead. Temperatures are starting way above average, and with cloudy and mild, it also means wet. So we have a band of heavy rain at the moment across Scotland, Northern Ireland, northern areas of England. Elsewhere, it is overcast, grey, dull and damp. And like I said, exceptionally mild. 10 to 13 degrees are starting temperatures today. The rain heavy for northern areas. It clears from Northern Ireland, something a bit brighter later, but then heavier rain returns to Wales and the southwest, where we have a warning in force. The southeast of England brightening up later, and the best of any sunshine, highs of 17 degrees.